What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk. Today we are checking out this small travel trailer that's perfect for families. This is the Forest River Viking 18DBS. I gotta say, I've toured thousands of different layouts and never before have I seen a layout with this up front. Wait till you see it, let's check it out. Alright, so this is the Forest River Viking 18DBS. Now, this is literally the perfect small travel trailer for larger families. Now, the reason why I say that is because a lot of these travel trailers for families, they don't really accommodate them fully. They might have bunks and some extra sleeping spots, but whenever you're relaxing or eating, there's just no space. Now, this one actually has that. And you're going to see it whenever we check this RV out, but before we take a look at it, let's take a quick look at the specs. So you have a hitch weight of 500 pounds, an unloaded vehicle weight of 3,919 pounds, a gross vehicle weight rating of 4,900 pounds, which makes this perfect to be towed by an SUV, and then you have a total exterior length of 23 feet even, and then you have a height of 10 feet. Let's go ahead and check out the outside of this RV and start up front. Up front is pretty basic with a propane tank, battery box, and manual crankjack. Then you have pass-through storage, and on the outside of this RV you have aluminum siding. You also have a 10-foot awning, which is pretty decent coverage of the campsite. You have scissor jacks for leveling your camper, a spare tire on the back, and this RV also comes prepped for the Furrion backup camera. Let's go ahead and check out the inside of this RV. So when you first walk in, you have this awesome U-shaped dinette. Now this right here is what I'm talking about. This dinette can seat the amount of people that this RV can actually sleep. You can use this as a second couch, as a dinette, or as a bed since there's a Murphy bed up above that drops down. So that is what I mean by this RV can fully accommodate families, because not only is this RV's sleeping arrangements great for families, but also its dining and lounging arrangements, if that makes sense. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are in the comments down below. On each side of the dinette, you do have two windows, and then over to the slide out, you have a jackknife sofa. So this right here drops down into a bed, and you also have a window up above. In the back of this RV, you have the bunk beds. Each of them have their own window, which is really nice. The bottom one's an egress, and then you have this little side cabinet for some storage. Heading into the bathroom, you have a plastic toilet, a decent sized shower with a small size open air cabinet along it, and then you have a medicine cabinet, smaller size sink with a cabinet beneath it. Heading over to the kitchen, you have a refrigerator with a fridge on the bottom and freezer up on the top. You have a 2-burner cooktop, a hood vent, and then a microwave. And then you have a small circular stainless steel sink, and then some cabinet space beneath. What do you guys think about this RV? Is this the perfect small travel trailer for families? Let me know what you guys' thoughts are in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more RV tours like this, give this video a like and subscribe for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the road.